Fashola ICFAI University Tripura Saktharmung by Rabindra Shatabarshiki Bhawan Khorang Khlaijakha UDAAN Topar Felicitation and Career Achievers Award Ceremony Panda Khlaijakha ICFAI University Tripura Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Bhawan no Khoboi Tekubon Professor Dok Pandani Pula Bakano Zati Saktharmung Sungai Pandano Jeng Shawira Kha Panda Manjaknai Narawai Rok Abni Aglono Jeng Zakha Shalni Panda Asal TBSC te CBSC Class 12 Board Amzuk Mungo First Division Mani Pass Khlaine Student Rokno Borom te Khlaijakha Abai kunu Panda Kok Sanani Thangai ICFAI University Tripura Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Bhawan Ringsringnai Rok te Bukahanke Ringsringai Shakangai Thangnani Nangnai Hanai Tamani Hanke Education ni Bising te Joto Samong Khlaimano Hanai
Commitment towards developing the human resource in the state of Tripura. And here with this program, we are finding the future generations who are here, who have done very well in the recently completed 10+2 exams, to felicitate you, or congratulate you, and to encourage you that you keep doing good work in your studies. At the same time, we also would like to convey the message that education is very important. Skill is also very important, but it is also very important to build good character, good health, good mind. It is very important. And to become a good citizen of the country, to contribute for development of the family first, neighbor, state, and the country and the whole world. So this is the way we are trying to contribute in state of Tripura. As you know, our university is there in Khorang, and we are working even for the children who are nearby our university by providing them English education, computer education. So with this, I again welcome you all for this today's program, and I hope that this program will really encourage all the students and also students, our alumni who has got government jobs through Tripura Engineering Certificate exam, is also encouraged them to do very well in their career in the government sector.
Abani bagani ringsringnai rokno khabaserunani bagai Fashola Rabindra Shatabarshiki Bhawan Khorang Khlaijakha UDAAN Topar Facilitation and Career Achievers Award Ceremony Panda Khlaijakha ICFAI University Tripura Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Bhawan no Khoboi Tekubon Professor Rok Abai kinu Khlaijakha Kabangkok Student Rok Abai ka Shokat Romani by Student Rokni Bishingo Nungsakha Khatongmung Raja Koragolinu Shumi Omitni Koktum Chini Khorang